Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add people in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Clickup application, then this type of interface will appear in the screen once you have logged into your account. From the left side of the screen you can see a menu bar. There, hover your mouse to the space in which you want to add people, then click to Space Setting. There you can see Sharing and Permission option. Click on Sharing and Permission. There, invite by name or email. Once you have entered the name or email of the person that you want to add, an invitation will be sent to their email. Once they accept the invitation, your person will be added. This is how you can add people in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.